Hello my favorite Czech students! In this video I'm going to share with you my most treasured secrets how to sound more like a native Czech. Let's talk first about pronunciation and later about vocabulary. Let's go! Okay, pronunciation trick number 1, and I think I talked about this in previous videos. Pronounce all vowels. Sounds simple, right? But let's try it. Let's look at this word. How would you pronounce it? Alphabet would be in Czech abeceda. 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 Don't say abeceda. Abeceda. No. Abeceda. The word has 4 syllables and you have to pronounce it all. Abeceda. More examples are America. America. Austrálie. Austrálie. Or marmeláda. Marmeláda. Okay, next trick, pay attention when pronouncing the vowel A. A in Czech. It occurs in many words, so it's good to learn it properly. When pronouncing the Czech A, you have to have your mouth wide open. Like in the word auto. Auto. Some students would say auto. Not wide open, just auto. No. You have to open wide and say auto. Auto. Or next examples, alligator. Alena. April. And some words are so hard to pronounce, even for Czech people, that we try to a little bit change it so we can pronounce it more easily. And that way you should learn it also. Let's take the word for in Czech is čtyři. It's kind of hard to pronounce it, right? Čtyři. Čtyři. So we, lazy Czech people, sometimes say not čtyři, but čtyři. Like this. Čtyři. Čtyři piva, prosím. It is colloquial, right? So you should probably don't use it when, for example, doing an exam in Czech, but in a pub or with friends, no problem. 4 piva. Vsadil jsem 400 a vyhrál jsem 4000. Dobrá sázka. And sometimes when you see in a word ž or d, we pronounce it sh or t. But this is not colloquial. This is according to the grammar rules. Let me share some examples, like in a word, this one, pencil, t-u-ž-k-a, but we say tuška, tuška. Or in a word, wedding, we don't say svatba, svatba, we say svadba, svadba. Cool, the next pronunciation trick is to shorten some vowels in words. And just a disclaimer here, this is valid for Czech region, Prague, most. I don't know if this is valid for Morava or Ostrava. I wouldn't say so, so be careful. Let me share the examples so it's clear how I mean it. Take this sentence. S kým tam jdeš? First of all, I wouldn't say the J, jdeš. I would just say jdeš. And the second thing, kým, I wouldn't say it like this, prolonged version. I would shorten it and say kým. It's shorter, faster, and we don't have time, right? S kým tam jdeš? Or let's take a sentence, vím já, that you would probably say when you don't know, and you probably don't know why the other person is asking. But you wouldn't say it like this, vím, but you make it shorter, vím. Vím já. Hele, jak daleko je to k němu na chalupu? Vím já. Now let's move to the vocabulary tricks. The first one is not a trick, it's just an advice. Learn how to inflect words. It is kind of obvious, but it's crucial. No native would say jdu do škola. Jdu do školy. You have to inflect the word škola to školy. I think the best way is to learn either the entire sentence or just the two words, the preposition and the word. Do školy. Just learn do školy instead of just škola. You learn do školy, ve škole. Learn it properly from the beginning until it's too late and it's too much written in your brain. Okay, sorry, I know you are here to learn some tricks. So let's learn vocabulary trick. You can use a shorter version of nouns instead of longer ones. And let me explain. The classic example is vysoká škola. Nobody would say it like this. Everyone would say vejška. Vejška is vysoká škola. In other region of Czech Republic, you could also, for example, hear výška instead of vejška. Oh, it's disgusting. Výška. Or just vysoká. Vysoká. Kam jdeš na vysokou? Přemýšlím, že půjdu do Prahy. Similarly, you can say střední instead of střední škola. You say střední. Kam jsi chodil? Na střední. And watch out, pozor, základní škola is not základní, but základka. Základka. Also, we shorten some geographical location. No one would say Václavské náměstí, but Václavák. Václavák. Or Karlovo náměstí is Karlák. But Karlův most is just Karlův most. We don't shorten it in any way. And the last vocabulary trick I would like to share with you is to use some colloquial words instead of the ones you are probably using right now to sound more native and less like a bookworm. For example, if you want to express an astonishment or surprise, you say fakt jo, fakt jo. Včera jsem zase potkal Kláru. Fakt jo, už je zdravá, super. Also, when you want to express that something is great, don't say výborně, výborně. Say bezva, bezva. Bezva is a shorter way of bezvadný. It's colloquial and I use it very often. Už si oloupal všechny brambory? Bezva. And the last word I would like to share with you is chlastat. chlastat, it's to drink alcohol. Včera jsme byli chlastat do 2 do rána. Ta kocovina potom. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to have more videos like this, or to learn some more slang words, etc., you can say it in the comment section. And why not dedicate your next few minutes to one of those videos that are also very good. Uvidíme se příště. Ahoj!